These are the top 3 weight loss strategies according to research. Talofa. Hello, and welcome back. I'm Stan Efferding, coming to you today from one of the many roadside fruit and vegetable stands here in American Samoa, where fresh local produce is available every day. Thanks to a combination of brief tropical rains and 360 days of sun a year, this island has some of the most fertile volcanic soil on Earth. It's a natural greenhouse powered by the Pacific Ocean. The fruits and vegetables here are so abundant, they literally fall off the trees. Things like mangoes, papayas, coconuts, breadfruit, and avocados, always in season. Village gardens are overflowing with pineapples, bananas, taro root, carrots, sweet potatoes, cabbage, tomatoes, beans, cucumbers. I could go on and on. The fruits and vegetables are picked fresh daily and displayed at these markets on every roadside, often not but 100 yards between them. Now, welcome back to part 4 of our 5-part series to help you lose weight and feel great. Now let's talk about the top 3 most powerful weight loss strategies, according to research. Number 1, meal prepping. Whether you prep your meals yourself or you use a meal prep company, we've seen this work for decades with bodybuilding, figure, physique, and bikini competitors. Carry around their 6-pack bag full of meals and Tupperware. Now that's because it works. The meals are always ready to go. They're far less likely to do impulsive eating, like a trip to a fast food place. Now plan ahead, even if it's just 1 or 2 meals a day. Number 2, tracking. That which gets measured gets improved. You don't need to obsess over every calorie, but tracking what you eat keeps you honest and helps you stay aware. Now I ask all of my clients to send me their morning weight, their hours of sleep, their daily step count, and a picture of each meal. It only takes a few seconds and it works wonders to help them stay accountable. And number 3 is coaching. Whether it's a coach, a friend, or a support group, accountability works. And research comparing doctors to registered dietitians to personal trainers. The personal trainers have the best results for weight loss because they interact with the clients more frequently. And this leads to better outcomes. Now, you don't have to do this all the time. Get a coach or a spouse or a friend to do this journey with you, to help support you along the way. And you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Now, these tools keep you on track when motivation fades. Now, next time, I'll talk about the best type of exercise for fat loss. And it's probably not what you think. For coaching or other services I provide, be sure and check out the links below. And if you want to learn more about the island, or maybe come share some fresh pineapple with me, you'll also find a link to the American Samoa Visitors Bureau. See you next time. Fa'apatai.